In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view previous meetings in Zoom. If you've ever needed to confirm when a meeting happened, check its details, or simply revisit your recent activity, this walkthrough will make it easy. We'll do everything from the Zoom web portal so the layout looks consistent, and the options are easy to find. Start by signing into your Zoom account in a web browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of areas you can manage, and one of the main sections is called Meetings. Click Meetings to open your meeting management page. This page usually defaults to showing upcoming meetings, so don't worry if you don't see past events right away. From here, switch to the Previous tab at the top of the page. That tab is dedicated to meetings that have already taken place. If you've hosted a lot of sessions, this list can be long, so it's normal to use filters to narrow things down. If nothing shows at first, it's often just because the default date window is narrow, or your account hasn't hosted anything in that range yet. To refine what you see, use the Time Range selector. Choose a preset like Last 7 days or Last 30 days, or set a custom start and end date to focus on a particular period. After you pick your range, apply the filter, and the list will refresh to show only the meetings that occurred within those dates. This is especially helpful for monthly reports or when you're trying to find a meeting from a specific week. Once your results load, you'll see each meeting's topic, date and time, and other quick details such as its meeting ID. You can open any meeting entry to view more information, including the scheduled duration, the host, and how it was configured. If your account permissions allow, you may also see data like the number of participants. Keep in mind that the Previous tab focuses on the meetings themselves. If you're looking for cloud recordings, those live in the Recordings section of the web portal, not in Meetings. A few quick tips as you browse. Make sure you're signed into the correct Zoom account, especially if you use more than one. If the times look off, check your profile's time zone. And if you still don't see what you expect, try expanding the date range to include more days. That's it. By opening Meetings, switching to Previous, and setting a helpful time range, you'll quickly find any past Zoom meeting you need. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.